If you want to use a professional email address in Outlook with Bluehost, this tutorial will walk you through the full setup step by step. By the end, you'll know how to connect your Bluehost email account to Outlook so you can send and receive messages from a custom domain email address like yourname@yourdomain.com. This is a great way to make your business look more polished, more trustworthy, and much more professional. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more clear software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new videos are posted. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your Bluehost dashboard, you'll want to find the hosting tools connected to your account. Look for hosting, then cPanel email, and then click on email accounts. This is where all of your Bluehost email addresses are managed. Next, find the email address you want to add to Outlook. If you already created the email address, it should appear in the list. On the right side of that email account, click Connect Devices. This section is very important because Bluehost will show you all of the email server settings you need for Outlook. Now open Outlook on your computer. If you're setting this up for the first time, Outlook may show you a welcome screen right away. If you already use Outlook, you can still add a new account through the File menu. Click File, then choose Add Account. This begins the setup process for your Bluehost email. When prompted, enter your Bluehost email address and click Connect. Outlook may try to auto-detect the settings first. In many cases that works, but if Outlook asks you to choose the account type, select IMAP. MAP is usually the best choice because it keeps your email synced across devices, so what you read, delete, or move in Outlook will stay consistent with your mailbox. Now go back to the Bluehost Connect Devices screen and copy the email settings shown there. These settings include your incoming mail server, outgoing mail server, ports, and security type. You'll want to enter these carefully because one small typo can stop the account from connecting properly. For secure IMAP, use port 993 with SSL or TLS. For SMTP, use port 465 with SSL or TLS. These are the secure settings that allow Outlook to communicate safely with Bluehost. If Outlook asks for authentication, enter your full email address and the email password you created for that mailbox. Make sure you type the email address exactly as it appears in Bluehost, including the full domain name. Then enter the password for that specific Bluehost email account, not your Bluehost login password. That's a common mistake, so if the setup fails, this is one of the first things to check. As you continue through the setup prompts, Outlook may test the connection automatically. If everything is entered correctly, it should verify both the incoming and outgoing servers. If the test passes, you're almost done. Just click Done to finish the setup. Once the account is added, Outlook will begin syncing your Bluehost inbox, and you should start seeing your messages appear. Depending on how much email you have, the first sync may take a little bit of time, so give it a moment to fully load. If you run into issues, double check the server names, make sure your ports are correct, and confirm that SSL or TLS is selected. Most connection problems come from a small typo in the settings or using the wrong password. Taking a second pass through the Bluehost Connect Devices page usually fixes it fast, and that's it. You've now added a professional Bluehost email address to Outlook, and you can manage your business email directly from your desktop. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.